Okay, so I'm going to instruct the lower extremity functional battery and also perform the lower extremity functional battery at the same time. So the first test is the hop test. You start with bilateral legs. So for this, I would use both legs from the starting point, jump as far as I can, and then mark where I go on the tape. So I can then measure that with measuring tape, yardstick, etc. So then I would use my left leg, starting from the starting point, jump, mark from heel, like I did before, and then also do single leg on the right, jump, and then, so for that you would do bilateral over single leg and then uninvolved over involved. And for women, I should be able to jump 90% of what I was able to do with both legs. Then for the next test is the crossover test. So you'll start on one side of the line, you'll jump to the other side, and then jump back to the other side and then mark how far you get. And then you'll do 3 trials and take the average. And then you'll do the same thing with the left. Start on one side of the line, go to the opposite side, jump one more time to the opposite side again, mark how far you get. So for that, for the lower extremity functional battery, you also look at control, coordination, and confidence. So say if I had a left ACL reconstruction, I would score less in the 1 out of 5 scale for coordination and confidence potentially, and not score all 5s on all of the C scores. And then you also do the single leg line jump, which is 3 hops in a straight line, and then you get a 30-second trial. So right leg, you would do the triple hop, mark where you get. I would do 3 trials, take the average. I'm not going to. And then you would also do left leg, 3 hops for distance. And mark where you get. And then you would find the percent of the uninvolved versus involved side. For the last test, I didn't know the exact dimensions of the diamond, so I guessed, and the size is reduced for video purposes. So for this, you would do the ACA forward run, which would be to here and back, both going forward. You would also do that backward, and then you would do the ABCDA right side shuffle, so you would be shuffling to the right all the way around. And then you would do the left side shuffle. You would be doing karaoke, outside foot pivot, inside foot pivot,